I still did not stop with the thank yous and the gratitude. I want to say thank you very much to Mpumalanga Eyethu TV show for making this possible. Yes, Christmas came for St. Kalouweld in the form of Elmond with his TV show to give us this opportunity, and as well as for him to have an opportunity of contribution to our organization. Thank you so much, Eyethu. We sincerely appreciate the past 2 days for all your time that you've spent with us, the expertise, your professionalism that you've put in here to showcase us also to our viewers, our stakeholders, everybody out there. It's not every day that somebody will come in and say, I want to do something for you. I think I've got some gifts that I can also bring to make a difference. We really want to bless you as well, and we are sincerely privileged that you take your time to bless us at this end of the year. Be blessed and go well, and may your business and your TV shows also touch lots and lots, millions of other people in 2024. Thank you so much again.